press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Welcome to the class, children. Today I am here for you with your first unit, that is the household articles. So children, what is the meaning of household articles? Yes. Household articles means the things that we use in house is called household articles, isn't it? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುವಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೌಸ್ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Of course, you can easily say so many things we use, such as chair, table, ceiling fan, curtains, bed, pillow, refrigerator, television, telephone, alarm clock. So many things we use in the house, and those things are called household articles. Understood? So dear children, in this unit there is one poem, that is the Clock of Life. So the Clock of Life is written by Robert H. Smith. He was American poet, and along with poet, he was businessman also. And he was born in the year 1928 and died in 2009. So, have you seen this clock, dear children? ಗಡಿಯಾರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ಏನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದು? ಸಮಯ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಟೈಮ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? So dear children, in this poem, the poet Robert H. Smith is doing comparison of our life with the clock. So doing comparison with our life to the clock. Okay. So let's see what is the poet explaining here. So take your textbook, come to the page number 1. I'll read the poem once. Okay. See here, keep the finger on line. The clock of life is wound but once, and no man has the power to tell just when the hands will stop. Late or early hours. To lose one's wealth is sad indeed. To lose one's health is more. To lose one's soul is such a loss that no man can restore. Today only is our own, so live, love and toil with a will, for the clock may soon be still. So dear children, here the poet Robert H. Smith is doing comparison between our life to the clock. So poet ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಸಮಯ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, isn't it? So here in the first stanza I written on the board. Once I'll read and explain. So dear children, remember in the poem we call stanza, okay, and in the lesson we call paragraph. Understood children? Come to the first stanza. The clock of life is wound but once, and no man has the power to tell just when the hands will stop at late or early hour. So see here, the clock of life. So poet ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. See here, the clock of life is wound but once. Here wound means started, okay? See, the clock of life is wound but once. That means the clock of our life is started, okay? But once it is started, no man has power. ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? to tell just when the hands will stop. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪೋಯಿಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಸಿ ಅಟ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಅವರ್, ವೆದರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಲೇಟ್. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫು ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅರ್ಲಿ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳೋದು ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್. ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ಬೇಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಏನು ಲೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಎಸ್. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಾ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. I'm writing second stanza now. To lose one's wealth, is sad indeed. To lose one's health, is more. One's soul is such a loss that no man can restore. See here in the second stanza, the poet is telling that to lose one's wealth is sad indeed, to lose one's health is more, to lose one's soul is such a loss that no man can restore. Here in the second stanza, the poet is telling that to lose one's wealth, wealth andre aishwarya, sampadane, okay, asti, now wealth antivadi. So to lose one's wealth is sad indeed. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಶ್ಚಯ ಅದು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಂಡೀಡ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳೋದು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ವೆಲ್ತನ್ನು, ಸಂಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ತನ್ನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್. ವೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದುಡಿಬೋದು, ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಬಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಃಖ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೋಲ್, ಸೋಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆತ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಸ್, ನಷ್ಟ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಸ್ಟೋರ್. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ವಾಪಸ್ ತರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಸ್ಟೋರ್. ರೀಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾನ್ಸಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್. ವೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್, ದುಃಖ. ಬಟ್ ಟು ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ವೆಲ್ತ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಃಖ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಒನ್ ಸೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನೇ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ವಾಪಸ್ ತರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ದುಡಿಬಹುದು, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಸೋಲನ್ನು ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬೇರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನು ಕೂಡ ಅದೊಂದು ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ತರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Isn't it, children? I think you understood the second stanza. Yes. Come to the third stanza now. Today only is our own. So live, love, and toil with a will. For the clock may soon be still. So here, come to the third stanza now. Today only is our goal, so live, love, and toil with a will. For the clock may soon be still. So see here, in the third stanza, the poet is telling that today is only our goal. Today it is only our goal because ನಾಳೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Isn't it? ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದು ಅರ್ಲಿ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಲೇಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Isn't it, children? So here poet ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ today only is our own. ನಮ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು today it is only our own because we have no guarantee about tomorrow. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಇರ್ತೀವ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Isn't it, children? So live our life, okay, love our life, and toil means work. Write this meaning in your book. So live our life, love our life, and toil with a will means work with a will. So ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇ ಅದು ಆಗೋದು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Isn't it? So for the clock may soon be still. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. Isn't it? So we have to live our life, we have to love our life, and we have to do lot of work in our life because the clock of our life can be still. ಯಾವಾಗಾದರೂ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ come to the now. True or false? In the page number 2, you can see true or false. See here. First one, the man has the power to stop the clock of life. Once again, children, man has the power to stop the clock of life. Is any man have the power to stop the clock of our life? ಯಾವ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಕನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್. ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್, ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. You also write in your textbook, children. First one, answer it is no, he has not. They only given the verb, but to mark here we have to mark here yes or no. Okay, Yes or no? You all know that the answer is no. Second one, to lose one's wealth is sad indeed. To lose one's wealth is sad indeed. ಸಂಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ದುಃಖ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದು? Yes, so the answer is yes, it is. Mark in your book. Yes or no? So the answer is yes. So third one, we all give importance to health. We all give importance to health. Think about it. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, isn't it? So the answer is yes. Yes, we do. Here also mark. Yes. Understood, children? Fourth one, we should live, love and toil with will. We should live, love and toil with will. Think about it. We should live, love and toil with a will. In the poem I told you that we should live our life, we should love our life and we should do hard work in our life. Isn't it? So the answer is yes, we should. Isn't it, children? Yes, we should. So here also mark. Understood this, man? Come to the next. Shall we move to the next main? Yes. See here the second main, read, speak and write. Okay. So fill in the blanks correctly, choosing the words from the stars. Here it is fill in the blanks. What it is? It is fill in the blanks. We have to fill the answer by choosing correct option. Okay, children. I'll write here. The clock stops dash or dash. Think about it. The clock stops dash or dash. What it is? It is in the poem. The clock stops late or early. Isn't it? Late or early. Isn't it, children? Yes. Write with me. Second one. Losing wealth is dash, but losing health is sadder still. See the question. Losing wealth is dash, but losing health is sadder still. Wealth anna kalkoladu kuda sad alva. So the answer is losing health is sad. What it is? Sad. But losing health is sadder still. Understood? Third one. The loss of dash cannot be restored. See here the question, children. The loss of dash cannot be restored. See here, the loss of what it is? The loss of time cannot be restored. The loss of time cannot be restored. ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಸಮಯ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ರೀಸ್ಟೋರ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ತರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Come to the next main. A picture of a house is given. Write the names of the household articles in the right column. So here in this main, they are given some household articles name. Okay, they are given some household articles name. Okay, so that household articles we have to mention in a right column. Okay, I'll help you to write. See here. First, I'll write the household articles name. Chair, curtain, bucket, telephone, bed, spoons, stove, tap, dining table, television, pillow, alarm clock, cooker, glass, bowl, shower, sofa, table. Yes, children. See here, these are all the household articles. Okay, we have to write in a different columns. Can you see all these household articles in one room? Can it possible? See here, if you see the chair in living room, can it possible to see the glass in living room? No, not possible. Both having different places. Is it one room ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು household articles, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು room ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ possible ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಈ ಮೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈವನ್ ಹೌಸ್ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನೌ. ಸೊ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಿಚನ್, bedroom, bathroom, dining hall, Okay, children, write with me. So see here, now chair it is household articles, isn't? Where you see these household articles, in which room? Of course you see in the living room, isn't it, children? Isn't it? Chair we see in the living room, and curtain it is also we see in the living room, isn't it, children? And bucket, where you see bucket? Yes, of course in the bathroom, isn't it? And next, telephone, where you see the telephone? Yes, of course you can see in the living room. bed. We can see in bedroom, isn't it? And next, spoons. We see in the kitchen, isn't it, children? And stove. Where we see? Where we see? Yes, in the kitchen. Isn't it, children? And tap, of course, in the bathroom. And dining table. Yes, we see in the dining hall. Isn't it? Dining table. And next, television. Where you see? Yes, you can see here. In the living room, we see television. And pillow. Where we see the pillow? Yes, we see in the bedroom. Isn't it, children? And next, alarm clock. Where you see the alarm clock? You can see in alarm clock. You can see in living room. Alarm clock. And cooker. Where you see? You can see in kitchen room. Isn't it? And glass. Where we see the glass? In the kitchen. Isn't it, children? And next, bowl. It is also belongs to kitchen room. And shower. We can see in bathroom. Isn't it? And sofa. Where we see sofa? Yes, we can see in the living room. Isn't it? And final, table. It is also we see in the living room. So I think you understood, children. These are all the household articles we see in different rooms. Isn't it, children? Yes. You have to write these household articles in the books. Understood? Yes. Next, come to the now fill in the blanks. I think you are going to understand what I am explaining. Yes. Next, my children, fill in the blanks using the clues given brackets. Here, it is also fill in the blanks. They are given options. So, first I will write on the board and I will explain next. Okay. Object. Object. Okay. Next column question. And next column answer. Let me write the options. Objects. Plate. So, see here, children, in this main, 3 columns are there. Okay. So, in the first column, there is one object, one household article is there. Okay. One article is there. Okay. And in the second column, we have to frame a question. Okay. And in the third column, we have to write the answer. Okay. So object is, the first one you can see the object is, think is plate. Okay. And we have to frame a question. What is a plate for? Okay. What is a plate for? So for this question we have to answer here. It's for eating. Understood this main? Okay, come to the second one. It is first one example they already given in the book. Okay, let's see the second one object now. So the object is broom. What is the object here? Broom. Broom means what? Yes, broom means to sweep dust. We use broom, isn't it? So see here, the object is broom and we have to frame a question now. What is a broom for? Broom for, understood? And what is broom for? Why we use broom here? We use, it is for what? It is for sweeping. Understood, children? The object is broom. And why we use broom? What is a broom for? Why we use broom for? It's for sweeping. Understood? And third one, the object is cooker. So now we have to frame. What we have to do now? We have to frame a question. What is a cooker for? Why we use cooker? Think. Cooker for. Why do you use cooker? Of course, it is for, answer right here. It's for what? It's for cooking. Isn't it, children? Isn't it? Understood this main? Third one to fourth one now. The object is what? Mixer. We use this object in our daily life, isn't it? And frame a question now. What is a mixer for? So why do we use mixer? Of course we use mixer for what? It's for grinding. Isn't it, children? And the last object is wash basin. Wash basin. So frame a question now. What is a wash basin for? ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ವಾಶ್ ಬೇಸಿನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Why we use wash basin, children? Yes, it is for washing, isn't it? It is for washing, isn't it, children? So see here, one side objects, houseword articles are there, isn't it? Plate. What's plate for? Why do you use plate for? It's for eating, isn't it? And broom. What's broom for? It's for sweeping, isn't it, children? And cooker. What is cooker for? It is for eating. Sorry, it is for cooking. And mixer. What is mixer for? Yes, it is for grinding. And last, wash basin. What is wash basin for? It is for washing. Understood this main? So dear children, today I will stop here. Let's see now. I'll continue this unit in the next video.